Now this is who I'm looking for. Welcome back to Brick 2 Buddies. Today I will show you how to build Sandman from Rise of the Guardians. First thing you're going to need for him is a spiky yellow hairpiece, followed by the head of Good Morning Emmett. Next you will need the torso of the Golden Ninja. Keep the golden arms, but give him some yellow hands. And because of how short he is, you can just give him some golden studs for feet. And finally, give him a couple of golden chain whips for accessories. That concludes this week's video, but don't forget to subscribe, so you can learn how to build all 5 members of the Guardians.